Hi, this is Paul from SecureStack. This video is to introduce you to our SecureStack Security Intelligence Platform SIEM. All of your security data, logging, and alerts are sent to the SIEM from the agents managed by the SecureStack SIP server. Okay, let's get started. This is the main overview dashboard. This is the top-level dashboard in the SIEM. Data and alerts from other dashboards are condensed and filtered up to this view. As such, this is a good place to start. Some of the things shown in this top-level view are: what agents are managed by the SIP server? What are the top reporting agents? What's their connection status? Let's click on another tab. As you can see, there are no alerts. That's because we are only looking at the last day's worth of events. You can choose from any of the quick time ranges ranging from the last 15 minutes to the last 5 years. You can also use the relative range, which allows you to use any time range in relation to now. An example is between 14 and 21 days ago. You can also use the absolute time range. This allows you to choose days on the calendar and see data during that time frame. Okay, back to our dashboards. This is the file integrity top-level view. These are the alerts that are generated when a file that we are managing is changed. You can see the name of the file and the host where the file was changed. Events are categorized by file owner, file permissions, and sorted by top alerts. Policy monitoring. This is the top-level view of your policy profile. You can find your alerts and alerts by server over time. Next is the SCAT dashboard. If you are running the SCAT agent, data will be ingested into the SIEM and those alerts displayed here. Running the SCAT agent isn't strictly required, but depends on whether your organization requires it. It's enabled by default on the SIP server. The audit dashboard displays alerts from the Linux audit service. One of the most powerful features of the SIEM is the ability to generate alerts when a PCI compliance issue arrives. You can see what PCI requirements are involved and what host is affected. This feature doesn't require an agent. Instead, existing security data is used to generate these alerts. Let's go check out some of the other dashboards. You can find these by clicking on the dashboards link and selecting what you want to use. Let's take a look at the SSH dashboard. As you can guess, this dashboard gathers alerts and data from your servers that are running the SSH daemon. Data is collected on successful and unsuccessful SSH logins. You can drill into any of these events. Unsuccessful attempts are sorted by failure type. The map is interactive, allowing you to zoom and select regions to search on. Pie charts and alerts allow you to drill into individual IP addresses, country of origin, and any other event info you want. When you are done drilling into a specific type of event, simply remove the filter from the search string and you are back at the default search view. The WAF dashboard displays security data from the SecureStack WAF component. This SecureStack WAF runs on your web servers and blocks malicious behavior before it hits your website. Once a mitigation takes place, the WAF logs that event and it is displayed here in the WAF dashboard. WAF data is sorted by IP address, country of origin, server being attacked, etc. As with all other dashboards, you can drill into anything you like. WAF alerts are categorized as critical, which are the worst type and need to be investigated immediately. Next are the warning events, and finally the notice alerts. SecureStack is really proud of our network intrusion detection integration. It is a feature that our customers couldn't find anywhere else, and we are happy to be able to provide it. NIDS data comes into the SIEM and is indexed. Standard data points, like destination IP address, source IP address, and the message body are collected, but importantly, so is country of origin. Our geolocation lets you know where attacks are coming from. This allows you to mitigate the attacks in a number of ways. Back at the main overview, you can single out specific instances by going to the top menu and clicking Agents. You'll see all the servers that this SIP server manages. They'll show up as active when they're connected and sending data. If they are not sending data, they will show up as inactive. You can restart instances here by selecting Servers and clicking the Restart icon. You can single out any specific server to see more info about it, as well as its individual security data. Back at the Agents dashboard, you can search for instances in the search field in the upper right-hand corner. And finally, if you want to get more in depth, you can search your index data with the Discover view. Here we are searching for all events from China using SSH and showing the source IP and the security rule that was triggered. Let's extend the time window out to see if there are any other events from this attacker. That's our short introduction to SecureStack Security Intelligence Platform and the SIP server SIEM. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions or how to get a free trial of SecureStack.